Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is currently 2:37 in the afternoon. I have legitimately just been laying in bed all day. Like, I literally haven't done anything, and I'm gonna show you guys what the apartment looks like. Starting off with the kitchen, we literally have the air fryer still out, this out that Christian left, this from like the other day. I'm charging my batteries. We still have some dishes that we need to put up. Here we have the island table, and here it's not really too bad. I just need to put up my swimsuit. And then I bought some new suitcases from Ross the other day, y'all. I got such a good deal. They're so cute, and they're Juicy Couture, which I love. But I got a carry-on as well as I got a big one. Then this is like my backpack from the other night when I went to Red River. Still have to unpack all of that stuff. And this is what we're working with in the room. So I have all my clean laundry on the floor because we had to dry the towels, and we don't have a laundry basket or anything, so we just put them on the bed and then we had to go to sleep. So they're on the floor. Sorry about it. This is some Poshmark clothes, some PR packages. This is just like all sorts of messy. Over here we have some like dirty stuff from Christian. So I have some like trash and stuff that I need to put up. He also has like some clothes and stuff on the floor. And then earlier I was eating some chocolate chips and a ring pop. So yeah, that's what I was eating in bed. And literally, you guys, like, I was just laying here. Like, I genuinely have not done shit today. Literally have chocolate on my freaking shirt. This is just what I'm wearing. My shorts are from Five and Below, and then my top is also actually from Five and Below. So yeah, I'm gonna put something else on to do this little cleaning with me, but I literally will not have the motivation to do this unless you guys are here with me. So I'm going to help you guys be motivated by you guys helping me be motivated, and we're gonna just have a little teamwork and we're gonna do this together, okay? I always like to have some water. This is a little Starbucks cup. This is a little Starbucks cup, my bad. But yeah, I don't know, just today I felt like super lazy, not want to do anything. Me and Christian actually woke up this morning, and that was kind of another thing. If you're on my Patreon, you know I talked about this, but like, once I smoke or anything like that, like, I just get real tired. I don't want to do anything, get super unmotivated. I'm not one of those people who can like smoke and stay motivated. It's just not me. But it's finally kind of worn off, so I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna get to cleaning. So I just need to brush my teeth and like put my hair up and stuff because I haven't brushed my teeth this morning, and that's fucking gross. My breath smells like shit and I need to brush my teeth. So here we go. What I'm really not happy for is like this room. I think we're gonna start with it because I feel like it'll be easier to start with like the hardest part. You know what I mean? I'm keeping on these shorts. I just rolled them. I'm gonna just leave this on, and I'm gonna put on this little shirt. I don't know what's been in me today. I just really haven't wanted to do anything. So I have just let myself kind of soak and not do anything, but I'm still gonna get shit done, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like if I force myself to do stuff, I just am miserable and I don't wanna do it. But if I like give myself a minute and then film it, it's a lot easier. And hopefully you guys like, oh shit, I need to get my toothbrush, but hopefully you guys like the clean with me's. I want to start doing these a little bit more. I also want to start doing mukbangs a little bit more, as well as I want to start doing week in my lives more, because I feel like I haven't done one of those in so long, and I actually really enjoy doing week in my lives. They do take me a little bit longer to edit, but other than that, they're so much more like fun and entertaining, I feel like. So I really want to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready so that way I don't have a shit ton of stuff to edit out, and then we're gonna start cleaning. Okay, firstly I'm gonna start with the bedroom. Firstly I'm gonna start with the bedroom because I feel like it is the dirtiest, and I just want to knock that out first because I feel like if I'm able to knock out the dirtiest area, it'll be easier to do everything else. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Also, I think we're supposed to be planning to go to my parents' house tonight, so I don't really have to worry about cooking dinner. But anyways, we're gonna start cleaning the bedroom.
Drive 9-5 to feel alive.
them for y'all. Oh, this one I already took out, so honestly I can just throw this one away. But it was literally the cutest thing. It was from Kate Somerville, which I actually just got a new one from them. But it was their exfoliate, but like for your face. So I already opened this one. Oh, the next one I got was this like big bubble package, which I just have so many like skincare products now, so like I haven't put those away. I've just been keeping them in the box. I also opened this one, I think for like a TikTok, but it was these little ingrown hair pads from First Aid Beauty, this smoothing body lotion from First Aid, as well as this sculpting body lotion, and their bump eraser body scrub, which is literally like the best thing ever. It's so good. Sometimes I just get PR boxes and I'll open them, but then like I won't have anywhere to put them, so I will literally just like have them pile up right here. This one is from Bubble. It is for their Daydream Tone and Texture Serum, which I actually already have a bottle of and I love it. Oh, this was the exfoliate thing that I was talking about, this Kate Somerville exfoliate. It's like a intensive exfoliating treatment. But back to this Tone and Texture Serum, I absolutely love it. It's been so good with like brightening my acne scars and just helping with like irritation and redness. But I have a fresh little bottle to restock whenever I'm done. The next one I got is from Paula's Choice, which when I first got this, I was so fucking like shook because it's literally just a hat. Like it's no skincare, no nothing, and Paula's Choice is like a skincare company, and so they literally just sent me a hat. But I'm going to the beach here in like a week or so, so I think I'm gonna take this to the beach with me. But it's cute. It just says no hype on it. Then I got a package from Loving Tan, and they just sent me their deluxe tan remover, self tanning removing and priming gel. And then they also sent me this, oh, it's the same thing. Oh, it's the exact same thing, but I think it's just like a smaller bottle and a bigger bottle. And then they also sent me another one of their Loving Tan removing and skin polishing gloves. If you guys have never tried this thing, it is literally the best thing ever. Like I'm not even trying to just hype this product up. This will get any dead skin off your skin. Like this pad right here, I actually have one, so let me show you. It looks just like this. It has like a pink side and a black side. I kid you not, if you've used this product, please let like the people know in the comments, give your review, because this is seriously, I swear, like the best thing.
Hey babe.
Alright y'all, I kind of stopped filming and I just kind of like picked up everything, but it is now 3:53 and I'm about to dust. I've cleaned up actually a little bit of the stuff in the kitchen because like I had to like take my bag away, and then as I was going I kind of just cleaned, so it is looking a little bit better in here. I also put up my swimsuit, but I still need to like vacuum and stuff, but I'm just going to dust everything right now and just use these clean wipes to kind of clean everything. much just finished up cleaning my bedroom. I vacuumed, did everything. I'm going to try to scrub some of this out, but I probably won't record that. But yeah, I just put like the pillows and stuff on the bed. The sheets are still washing, and then I'm gonna wash the comforter after, but the sheets still have about like 21 minutes left. I need to fold the laundry, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish up like cleaning in there, and then I'll do the laundry. So now pretty much what I'm gonna tackle is I'm gonna clean off the counters. I'm gonna put away the toaster, the pot, and the air fryer. I might put away these dishes, but I'm 100% leaving these dishes for Christian because I put them up all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and restock our water, and then both of our trash cans are overflowing that I literally had to like start putting trash in here. But like this one's overflowing, and then this is like all my PR boxes. So I'm basically gonna tackle all of that, and I'm also going to dust everything and try to clean off like that with some Windex, dust the blinds, and just pick up like make the cushions look cuter.
Feels like I have been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down card feels so far, feels so far away, away. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, skylines paint the night, spinning our favorite songs, holding you tight, you tight. Moonlight burning bright, right on your hand-me-down card. I feel so far, feel so far tonight. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah.
I'm pretty much done cleaning. All I'm waiting for now is just for my comforter to be done. The sheets are already done, so I'm gonna put those on here in a second, but I think I wanna wait until the comforter is dry as well, and then I can just do it all at once. But yeah, I cleaned up everything. It looks so good. Christian swept, he didn't mop, but we will definitely get to the mopping sometime soon. I really wanna get a different mop just because the one that we have is just highly annoying, and it's really cheap, and we just kind of like got it because it was cheap, but it's so cheap that like it literally doesn't even work right. Cleaned up the kitchen. These dishes are drying right now. And then here in the bedroom, I was gonna put my new suitcases under the bed, but they literally didn't fit. So Christian just put them here until we can find another spot, but we are going on vacation soon, so I will be using the mini one. But yeah, other than that, everything is pretty much clean. I'll see you guys a little bit later whenever the comforter and the sheets are done, so that way we can make the bed. So yeah, I ended up doing this off camera, so I didn't get to finish this video, but hopefully you guys got all the motivation you needed to clean up your apartment, your house, even if it's just your room. Clean it. It makes you feel so much better, I promise you. Like, and if you need to, do a little time lapse, post it on TikTok, literally whatever you need to do to get you motivated. Literally filming helps me so much, so I highly recommend it. Yeah, and if you want to start a freaking YouTube channel, start one. This is your motherfucking sign. Stop letting everybody's opinions get in the way of that. Start your YouTube channel if you want to start it, okay? This is your motherfucking sign, and only the people who watch to this point are gonna see this, so period. Anyways, I'm sorry, I just felt it in my soul to say that. But yeah, I love you guys. I love y'all. Ew. Bitch, how the fuck? Okay, I love you guys, and thank you for watching up until this point. And if you did, comment a pink heart. I'll pop it right here. Comment a pink heart, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already. If you're just watching my videos and not subscribed, that's weird. Okay, it's giving fan energy. Subscribe. Anyways, just hit the subscribe button, and also turn your post notifications on so that way you're notified whenever I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.